Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2018 Toyota Tundra. Turn off the vehicle, remove the glove box stops, and lower the glove box. Locate and unclip the filter cover, pull out the old filter, inspect for debris, and insert the new filter oriented per airflow arrows. Reattach the cover, lift the glove box back into place, and test the vents for improved airflow and reduced odor. To replace the cabin air filter, you only need a new filter, a flat screwdriver, and a flashlight for visibility. Start with the glove box supported, pop out the retaining tabs, and lower the box carefully to avoid damaging dampers. Clean the filter housing with a vacuum or damp cloth, checking for leaves, pine needles, or pest nests. Ensure the new filter arrow aligns with the airflow direction, then reassemble the glove box and test the HVAC operation. Most manufacturers recommend replacing the cabin air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or once a year, whichever comes first. If you notice reduced airflow, persistent odors, or increased dust on vents, replace the filter sooner. Driving in dusty or pollen-heavy environments can shorten filter life, so inspect it during regular oil changes. Always use the correct size part.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.